So what's up my people, it's your boy Looking here once again with another update. So in today's video I want to talk about this particular update, this particular website that was just launched few minutes ago, and I'm gonna, in this video, what you want to this video actually, you see the reason why you don't need to miss this particular update and why you need to join now that I'm making this video. So what you have to do now is to watch this video attentively to understand the whole thing. So if you follow the link in the description, it's going to take you over to this particular website where you're going to get the link to the description of this video, or the first comment of this video, you're going to get the link to this particular website. Sign up to this particular website and they're going to give you $25 for free as a sign up bonus. But don't worry, you're not going to withdraw that one plus now, because once you sign up, you're going to be in VIP 0. So once you're done signing up, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and deposit. But before you deposit, let's go over to their VIP level to check how their VIP level is, so that you have the mind how much the deposit you're gonna make. So VIP 1, which is one that I have upgraded to already, is the one that is gonna cost you 39 USDT in total. So in 39 USDT in total, it's gonna be giving you 3.1 USDT every day and 93 USDT in a month. So the second one is VIP 2, which is gonna be giving you 24 USDT every single day. 24 USDT single profit. That is, each task you do is gonna give you 12 USDT and you're gonna complete 2 tasks daily. The same thing goes for the VIP 3, which is gonna cost you 296 USDT and so much fun. You can check out their US VIP for more details on this. So how to deposit on this particular project. If you click on this place that says deposit now, it's gonna take you over to where you're gonna deposit. And remember, you are recharging TLC 20 to this particular wallet. Any other asset that you send to this particular wallet is not gonna be recharged to your account. So what you have to do now is to click on this place that says copy wallet address and click on copy. It will copy instantly for you. After copying the wallet address, go over to your account, your wallet address, and recharge according to the TR, according to the level, the VIP level that you want to recharge, be it VIP 1 or VIP 2. As for me, I'm in VIP 1. So once you are done recharging and your blockchain confirmed that the recharging was completed, click on this place that says recharge complete, and then it's gonna be deposited into your account successfully. Let's go over to the task, because already I have upgraded to VIP 1, and as you can see, VIP 1 task have opened for me. So if I click on this VIP 1 right now, it's gonna open for me and it's gonna ask me to go and finish the task remaining for me. So if I click on go to finish, it's gonna load up a bit and load. So it's gonna just run for some minutes and then the task is gonna run for me instantly. So as you can see, I've done this particular one. If I click on completed, you see it on my completed. So if I go over to processing and click on go to finish now, it's gonna load up again, load up for me, and after some seconds the task is gonna be completed. As you can see now, my completed tasks have been 2, and remember, this is VIP 1 and you are gonna complete 2 tasks in a day. So for withdrawal, what you have to do is to click on this place that says withdrawal now, and it's gonna load you to where you're gonna withdraw. So first thing you have to do is to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So since I have done the VIP 1 task and it gave me 3.1 USDT, what I have to do now is to enter 3.1 USDT to this particular place and then enter the wallet address of my choice which I want to withdraw to. So I'm entering my Binance wallet address right now and then enter my security password instantly. So once I'm done entering my security password and my withdrawal password, then enter the amount I want to withdraw. All I need to do now is to click on this place that says confirm, and it's going to load up a bit and then tell me that the withdrawal have been successful. So while waiting for our withdrawal to land on our wallet, let's talk about the next way of earning from this particular platform, which is also free for you. What you have to do is to click on this place that says team. Once you're done completing your request, can see I've not referred anybody. And why I love this particular platform right now is that they have 3 levels of referral. So you can get from your level 1, level 2, and level 3 also. So all you have to do is to go over to this place and copy your referral link or your referral code to send it to your friends, family, or anybody. Maybe you have a WhatsApp group or whatever, so that you'll be earning commissions from your referrals daily, your referrals deposit. So that is how to earn from referral bonus. So after some minutes, I went to my account and I found out that the deposit was successfully transferred to my wallet address on my Binance account. As you can see, 3.1 USDT have been transferred to my Binance account. And if you go over to my withdrawal record, you see it that it was also withdrawn from my account. First of all was 1.55 USDT as mission benefit. Now the withdrawal of 3.1 USDT was successfully deposited to my account. So this is how to use this particular platform. And let me show you guys a secret. Look at it over here. The level VIP one is gonna cost you 39 USDT, and they have already given you 27 USDT. All you have to do is to deposit 12 USDT, and before 4 days, in 4 days time, just 4 days, your capital will be recovered from you. So if you start this update now, with from now till Wednesday, if you start this update today, from now to Wednesday or Thursday, your capital have been out, even if you don't have referral, but you will earn more when you get referral. So this is how this particular kind of platform works. And remember, Zubikeng is not in any way a financial advisor. Even Binance is not in any way a financial advisor. Do your research and invest what you can afford to lose. I remain Zubikeng, and I remain the one and only YouTuber. I chose you guys what I am doing to make money. See you guys on my next video. Bye.